the 2006 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Highway fuel economy of 27 miles per gallon distinguishes this vehicle as energy-saving transportation. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, power windows, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.